f of x is equal to mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 5, supposing this is a sum. Okay, just straight away do this sum. Okay, so if you can approach 4 from the left and 4 from the right, and 5 from the left and 5 from the right. Okay, let's look at the 4 from the left and 4 from the right. F of if from the left hand limit, f of 4 minus f of 4 minus h by h, limit h tends to 0, and for the right hand limit for this, it's f of 4 plus h minus f of 4 by h, limit h tends to 0. This is left hand limit and this is right hand limit. Okay. So what is f of 4? Substitute 4 in the question. It will be 1. Okay. So 1 minus f of 4 minus h. 4 minus h means just substitute here mod of 4 minus h minus 4 plus mod of 4 minus h minus 5. So 4 and 4 get cancelled, will be plus h, and this will be minus 1 minus h or 1 plus h because it is a mod. So the answer is 1 plus h by h. So it is 1 minus 1 minus h by h, this and this will get cancelled. So the answer is minus 1. The previous method gets me 0 by h, it's not right, no. So I have to use this method. Okay. So f of 4 plus h, what is f of 4 plus h? Substitute here, x bala 4 plus h minus 4, so it's get h plus 4 plus h minus 5. So in this case you get minus 1 plus h, okay, which is h minus 1. This is h plus h minus 1. So it's h plus h minus 1. What is it? F of 4 plus h. Okay, this answer is h, and there is a plus 4 plus h minus 5. So it's minus 1 plus h. So it's h plus h minus 1. Okay, h plus h minus 1. Okay, what about this? This can also be taken outside the mod and written h plus minus h plus 1. You can also write like this, correct? So if we write like that, this will become h, and h will get cancelled, so it will become 1 minus this will become f of 4, which is again it's 1 by h. So in this side you don't have a choice, you will get 0 by h. At least you can justify saying minus 1 is not equal to 0 by h, and hence it's not differentiable, hence it is not differentiable at x is equal to 4. Now same way you are going to approach 5 from the left and 5 from the right. Okay, this is h, this is 5, and this is h, and so it's 5 minus h, and this is 5 plus h. So for the left hand limit, f of 5 minus f of 5 minus h by h, limit h tends to 0, and for the right hand limit, f of 5 plus h minus f of 5 by h, limit h tends to 0. So you are going to take this instead, no need for special formulas, just substitute in the question what is f of 5. If you substitute f of 5, this will become 5 minus 4, which is 1, this is 5 minus, so the answer is just 1 minus f of 5 minus h. So x ku bala 5 minus h podu. So 5 minus h minus 4 plus mod of 5 minus h minus 5, 5 and 5 get cancelled. So this is minus h plus 1, this is 1 minus h. Okay, depending on the convenience I will write as h minus 1 also. Okay, plus this is h. So it will be h and h get cancelled, it's perfect. So the answer is 1. So the answer is 1 by h. So obviously it will be 0 h because it is anyway between. Can you imagine the right hand limit of this and the left hand limit for 5? The right hand of 4 and the left hand of 5 has to be the same, it's perfect. Okay. Now look at this, 5 plus h. What is f of 5 plus h? Substitute in the question, 5 plus h minus 4, which is 1 plus h. Give 5 plus 4, 5 plus h minus 5, which is just h. Okay. So mod of h by so then 1 plus h plus mod of h. So you have, what did I write? 1 plus h plus mod of h. So will it be 2h? 1 plus h plus mod of h is 1 plus 2h. That will be an answer for this, and f of 5 itself is 1. So 1 and 1 gets cancelled by h, and h and h gets cancelled, you get 2. Is it right? Have I done any mistake? 5 plus h minus 4 is 1 plus h, 5 plus h minus 5 just h, 1 plus 2h. Okay, but I am writing it as this mod h is minus h, so h and h get cancelled, I am writing it as 1. So it's 5 plus 5 for 5, 1 plus 2h na. Okay, I'm not writing it as minus 1, I'm writing it as I'm taking it as 1 plus 2h only. Okay, I'm not taking it as minus 1 and all. 1 plus 2h minus 1, so 1 and 1 get cancelled, you get right hand limit to be 2. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, and it's a very difficult sum. Okay, you have to be very clear with the sum, and therefore no need for the writing the interval and all, it's not even required. Okay, no need to write like increasing, decreasing, find new formulas, don't do that, just straight away do the sum and apply it in the question.